Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the functional literacy. What is the meaning of functional literacy? And what are the importance of functional literacy? In this class, we are going to be discussing about the adult education, forms of adult education and the scope of adult education. What is the necessity of implementing adult education in India? It's one of the illiteracy eradication program implemented by central government. It's a process of education specifically targeting individuals who are regarded as adults by the society, to which they belong, to improve their technical and professional qualifications, further develop their abilities, enrich their knowledge with the purpose of complete a level of formal education, or to acquire knowledge, skills and competencies in a new field, or to refresh or update their knowledge in a particular field. This definition is given by UNESCO in 2013. Adult education is a process whereby persons, those who are willing to update their knowledge, willing to acquire new techniques, professional qualification, and those who are wants to develop their further abilities, proficiencies, competencies, may involve in adult education and receive proper literacy to acquire new knowledge, skills and competencies. It's in a particular field of knowledge, one who involved in getting new skills with proper understanding. It's a process. It is a continuous process of a person, those who are willing to learn lifelong. Some of us having the ability to learn continuously, but they have no chance to admit themselves with the formal education institutions. These type of persons may admit themselves in the adult education or have received the adult education with the proper trained persons. Then only they could be able to get new knowledge, skills, trainings and technical abilities to improve their own personality and proficiencies in personal life as well as the professional life. This is the definition given by the UNESCO in 2013. Then one of the important person, Lindman in 1961 has given adult education definition as more accurately defined definition given by the Lindman, begins where vocational education leaves off. See, vocational education leaves off person, then the adult education has been begun. Adult education offers some who are not privileged as lost chance to learn. Some feel a need for training in basic skills of learning to they enroll for learning reading, writing and arithmetic. We have lost our age to admit ourselves in the formal education institutions, but we have the willingness to learn something new. We have to acquire new knowledge, skills, proficiencies, but there is no chance to admit ourselves with the formal education institutions. Then we have a chance to learn with our own pace while we are admitting ourselves with the adult education by acquiring new knowledge. Not only new knowledge, but also ability of reading, writing and numerical abilities. This is the definition given by Lindman. Then what are the forms of adult education or characteristics of adult education? First one is, it is post-vocational education. Vocational means we have well versed in certain area of operation. We have the ability to operate some jobs or professions, but we need to acquire new skills to develop ourselves in the professional life. Then the adult education will begin. It is post-vocational education. It is education for the deprived classes. Deprived classes means the class which is unable to go to the formal education institutions to receive the education because of so many reasons, because of poverty, because of non-awareness of the education institutions, then non-awareness or non-supportiveness of the family members, etc. This is the form of education which is only for or education for the deprived classes. Deprived classes means the laborer section, the woman, the aged persons and the persons with disabilities, etc. It's the training of basic skills of learning, and that is literacy. It's not imparting so much of degrees and awarded the higher education, but it will involving in giving some certain training for basic skills of learning to improve the level of literacy among the people. Government has the responsibility to improve the literacy rate. Because of that, government has taken necessary initiative to improve the literacy among the people, those who are unable to go to the formal education institutions, by providing adult education. What are the forms of adult education? Education for adults, whether in developed or developing countries, comes in three forms. First one is formal education, non-formal education and informal education. What is the meaning of non-formal education, formal education and adult education? This is a form of adult education which shares some kinds of characteristics within the formal school system. Formal adult education involves school system, but not directly admitted to the schools, but the system is like the formal education institutions. Non-formal education is direct opposite for the formal adult education in terms of structure. There is no time boundness, there is no timetable, there is no fixed syllabi for imparting education in the non-formal education system, but the forms of education will going to happen to the persons, those who are unable to receiving the formal education. Informal education or adult education is a form of education that takes place informally. It's not pre-planned but unorganized and accidental. It's not in the form of non-formal education, but informal adult education is not planned and pre-planned. It's not a pre-planned but unorganized and accidental. The main intention of informal adult education is to improve the literacy by imparting skills, knowledge with certain degree of understanding those who are unable to go to formal education institutions and those who are willing to improve their education level or literacy level. This is the main intention of adult education. Then what is the scope of adult education? The scope of adult education with the vast area, functional literacy education has been taken place in adult education. We have already discussed about these things. Functional literacy includes the formal education as well as the working nature. We have to amalgamate the work and education. Remedial education. Remedial education means those who are going to the formal education institutions and they are unable to understanding the concepts which are disseminating from the trained teachers. These kind of people or the students may also avail the form of adult education to improve their learning capabilities. Further education also. Some school dropouts are there, they are unable to go to the school, but they are willing to improve their education level. These type of persons may also avail the concept of adult education and receive the best quality of education through the trained teachers in the form of adult education. In service or on the job education and vocational and professional training also may be regarded as the adult education. We have certain degrees, we have certain technical education and we are working in an institution, but we have to improve our proficiency and professionalism by acquiring skills, knowledge, etc. In this condition, adult education may help us to improve our educational capabilities and learning process. Aesthetic, cultural, civic education also included in the adult education. Being a person in a society, we have to appreciate the aesthetic sense. We have to have the sense of aesthetic. We have to appreciate the culture, art, etc. Without having these sense, we could not able to claim ourselves as a human being, that particularly who is living in a society. While we are living in society, we have to appreciate the art, culture, language, aesthetic sense. We have to improve our aesthetic sense, and we have to learn how the civil person has to be live in a society with the civic education. These are the scope of adult education. We are discussed in this class about the adult education, definitions and the characteristics, forms of the adult education as well as the scope of adult education. In the upcoming class, we will be able to discuss about the many aspects of the adult education as well as the eradication of illiteracy. Thank you.